Today, I'm baking a soft and delicious butterscotch cake that melts in your mouth. Let's get started. Let's start with the cake base. Beat for egg white with a 1/3 cup of sugar until fluffy. Next, add 4 egg yolks one at a time and mix gently until well combined. Add 1 tabs of oil and 1 tabs of butterscotch flavor. Now, sift in 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Fold gently to keep the batter airy. Pour the batter into a greased baking tin and bake at 170°C 340 for 30–35 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. For the sauce, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan, add a 1/2 cup of sugar and stir until it dissolves. Then add a 1/2 cup of milk and 1 tabs of butter. Cook until thick and glossy. And add some nuts as your choice. Cool down and blend. Once the cake cooled, cut into 3 sliced. Now, let's decorate our cake. First, spread a smooth layer of cream over the base. Next, drizzle milk syrup so the cake stays soft and moist. Add another layer of cream and gently spread it. For the sauce, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan, add a 1/2 cup of sugar and stir until it dissolves. Then add a 1/2 cup of cream and cook until thick and glossy. Add another layer of cream and gently spread it. Sprinkle crushed almonds for a nutty crunch. Finally, drizzle rich caramel sauce on top, creating a beautiful, glossy finish. Our perfectly layered butterscotch cake is ready to serve. That's it for today's butterscotch cake. Hope you loved it. Hit the like button, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more yummy recipes. Bye for now.